Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this Taste of Nature Maple. Sort of like a granola bar. I got these on sale, and it's USDA certified gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan. I'm not sure what that U stands for, but I'll take a look here. It doesn't say, but here's the nutrient contents: 3 grams fiber, 10 grams sugar. And what's actually in here, ingredients: there's dried apricots, rice flowers, pecans, agave syrup, cashews, brown rice. What else is that? Raisins, sunflower seeds, some rosemary extract, salt, sugar, contains tree nuts, and that's about it. So let's do a quick taste test. So the aroma smells quite nice. It has the maple aroma to it. And let's do it. As you can see, here's the fruit that's dried in there, and it's quite chewy. And as you can see, it's really tender. It does have the nice aroma of maple. So definitely check it out, guys. If you're looking for a healthier, I guess a granola bar type snack, this could be something. If you have any questions or comments, guys, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.